This is my good friend, Landon Dunn. Landon owns a window cleaning company and serves the Coachella Valley. Myself and my clients have nothing but positive things to say about Landon and his service, so what I've done is put together a few quick questions to ask him to help you get to know him and hopefully give him a call. Who are your typical clients? Homes, businesses, or both?
So I provide services for both residential and businesses, and that offers pressure washing, solar panel cleaning, as well as windows. And whatever the client requests, if they need any other additional services, I'm happy to help.
For businesses, is it like more frequent than residential maybe? Because there's so much like at a restaurant, like do they do it more than a house?
It is a lot more on a consistent routine. That way they never have to deal with that buildup, and they always have that storefront or their windows clean for all their customers.
Makes a big difference. I mean, at my house, I do the windows, but owning a restaurant or anything where there's lots of foot traffic probably pays a good ROI to have some nice clean windows.
Definitely.
Yeah. So what would you say your average is for businesses and residential? Like, what do you do more of?
I would say more residential.
Okay.
I like to build that customer relationship with doing their home, and instead of just showing up and doing the work with no one there.
What does a typical day look like for you?
So I wake up.
Sweaty?
I am, yes, very sweaty. So I wake up, and first thing I do is I review all my customers that I'm doing that day, and then I start my first job at 7 o'clock.
Before it gets too hot?
Exactly.
As we talked about, it's a little bit harder to clean the windows once it gets hot.
Definitely. Yeah. So, and then I typically go until about 6 or 7 in the evening, sun up to sundown. So you kind of dance around the house according to the sun.
Yeah.
So
that's cool.
Yeah.
And you take one day off, though. I think you told me you like to take naps on your day off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. On Sunday. Yep.
Yeah. You got to rest your body and your mind.
Yeah.
Okay. So 6 days a week, Landon's going around cleaning the windows.
Definitely. Yep.
Respect, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
You do a great job.
Thank you.
Okay. What's one mistake most people make when cleaning their windows?
Oftentimes I see people just having that sand and dirt build up, and they don't have a consistent routine of cleaning their windows to stay on top of it. I see that a lot with the solar panel cleaning as well. To get the best efficient energy, you have to keep up on top of that maintenance and make sure you're getting the most efficient.
Yeah, letting it compounds. You can't just do it once a year. Okay, it's clean. No, you got to stay on it, do a good deep scrub, and then stay on it like a monthly or every 2 months.
I would say typical is quarterly.
Quarterly, that makes sense. That's kind of what we did at my house. Today is our second time.
Yep.
Much less labor and time to get that done.
Exactly.
And, they've been really clean since your first deep scrub, and now it's like brand new again. And didn't take you as much time.
Just a lot of touch up after that, that first initial
Stay on
cleaning.
It. Yeah, especially because the wind.
Yeah.
Okay, how has your business evolved since you started?
You know, my business has increased about 100%. I've met a lot of amazing people, and with that, I've got to build customer relationships, and with that, it's lead to a lot of referrals, putting my name out there, and that's what continues to grow my business.
Your success here, it's no mystery, like I said, and I'm happy to have the chance to sit down with you and talk to you, and happy to be able to refer you to my clients as well. So thank you for taking such great care of my clients. That's a big thing for me, just like it is for you and your clients, and we're happy to have you in our referral base, and I'm happy to have you as a friend.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
We'll see you soon, Landon. Thank you very much.